Nothing new that is happening in the state of Goa during the BJP regime. If you see the amount of crimes that are increasing, the murders, rapes, assault, molestation, everything is on the rise. It is on the rise because the criminal are sure are hand in glove with the cops. Dukh zada, if you see a pregnant lady, a 4-month baby, assault zalo. Khas karon, they seem to be linked to the members of the ruling party. And the ruling party members today are interfering in the investigation. आणि म्हाका दिसता आमचे ह्या कालूस बाब जो आमदारान प्रेस अड्रेस केलेलो आहा, and I think he has requested that the investigation officers should be shunted because he was hand in glove in protecting and these type of criminals. These people आज जेन्ना एक क्रिमिनला तुम्ही प्रोटेक्ट करता, what are you trying to show? They don't fear cops. So the law and order situation is वाढत जातले, and this is happening for the first time in Goa. If you see incidents, आम्ही जे उलयताले statistics आतले उलयताले, पण प्रत्येक दिसाक एक मर्डर, एक रेप, एक एक्सिडेंट. सो हे सगळ्यांचो आज म्हाका दिसता whether Goa has become a banana republic हांव सदांच म्हणटा, things are going from bad to worse. The culprits have to be named and they have to be treated as per the law. Do not keep them at your house. Do not give them any special treatment because आज हे फाल जरी तर तुक जाता, फाल आमकांय जावपाक शकता, सगळ्यांकूय जावपाक शकता. सो म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय there seems to be a crisis within the home department, and this crisis is nothing new. It has been happening for a long time, and the guilty have to be taken, guilty have to be shown the way. लॉ कितें आहा तें दाखोवपाक जाय. आनी खास करून हांव मुखेलमंत्रीक सांगपाक सोदतां की जेन्ना होम पोर्टफोलियो इज अंडर यू, इट सिम्स टू बी श्रिंकिंग. this Goa has never seen such type of jungle raj. मागीर भायले मनशाचे घालता. Who has to भायले मनशान केलें म्हूण सांगताय? Who has to anticipate this? There is a failure in terms of intelligence, failure, rise in crime. So completely jungle raj. Goa is turning into a jungle raj.
There is no act they are linked with BJP Karyakarta.
See, whether they are linked with BJP Karyakarta, Goa wing, national wing, or whichever wing, a criminal is a criminal, and they have to be taken to task when they are basically abusing and ill-treating a woman who is pregnant. They have absolutely no shame for doing such thing, and such culprits have to be booked.
Police officer सुद्धा include हमटा.
Police officer आहा जाल्यार suspend करपाक जाय. Investigation officer कालुसान demand केला, and I believe that he has called them again just before this meeting. He had called them again, inquired with the DGP that whether that officer will be suspended or what. He has assured us. So we are waiting for what action is being taken.
Don't you think people are taking law and order for granted? Because we have seen a lot of issues here, means law and order situation.
No, 100%. Why they are taking for granted? Because they know that the police are hand in glove with them. All these incidents of drugs, rapes, robberies, murders, these are happening because of the police station. SP सांगता बरे circular आलो. किती आलो circular? Police थिंगा गांजा घेताय मग गांजा. तेंगे न्हिदताय थिंगा. Police जरी तर गांजा घेता जाल्यार मागीर security आनी कितें उरतली, आनी तांकां कोण ते गांजा दिता? गोइंग्स ऑफ पाब्लो एस्कोबार कोण? हो आयडेंटिफाय जावपाक जाय पयलो.